Now we have to say nervous system of rabbit. So nervous system consists of three parts, that is central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomous nervous system. Central nervous system, on seeing the name itself we know it consists of brain and spinal cord. And peripheral nervous system, it consists of cranial nerves. And autonomous nervous system, it consists of sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Nervous system is very important because it conveys the messages, it takes the message toward the thing. So the brain is the central organ of the nervous system. So unit of nervous system is neuron. The central unit of nervous system is neuron. So the nervous system, this is the dorsal view of the brain. The kind of olfactory lobes are there. They are two lobes. They are connected with cerebral hemisphere. Cerebral hemispheres kind of in between they joined in a place that is diencephalon. This is cerebrum, that is biggest part of the body. Perumole solrum paranga. Next to cerebrum, what is this? Cerebellum, that is the smaller part of the brain. Cerebellum, cerebellum. Both the sides you can see the cerebellum. Both are connected together by a nerve bridge. That nerve bridge is known as medulla oblongata. So what are the parts there? Cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. The cerebrum we can say olfactory lobes. They are connected with the cerebral hemisphere. Both the cerebral hemispheres are connected by a diencephalon. Diencephalon is the part which separates cerebrum and cerebellum. Cerebellum is the smallest part of the brain and it's connected with the medulla oblongata. The brain is, the brain is kept in the cranial nerves, in between the cranial nerves. The brain covered by three membranes. So it is always they are supported, all the inter organs are supported by membranes. Here what are the membranes? Dura mater, pia mater, arachnoid membrane. Dura mater, it is the outer cover of the brain. Pia mater, inner cover of the brain. In between dura mater and pia mater, arachnoid membrane will be. So totally the brain is supported by three membranes, dura mater, pia mater and arachnoid membrane. Further, the brain can be divided into three, that is forebrain. What are the divisions of the brain? Forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. The forebrain only you can see olfactory lobes, cerebral hemisphere, diencephalon. They are connected by a tissue, that tissue is known as corpus callosum. The midbrain, so all the parts what are seen in the diagram is present in the forebrain. In the midbrain we can see optic lobes and the hindbrain consists of medulla oblongata and spinal cord. Clear? This is the structure of nervous system. The brain is in between the cranial nerves. It has it is covered by three membranes, three covers, that is dura mater, pia mater and arachnoid membrane. Dura mater outer cover is side, pia mater inner cover, arachnoid membrane, this is in between. So olfactory lobes are there are three kinds of nervous system: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomous nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, that cranial nerves, 12 pair of cranial nerves. Autonomous nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Brain can be divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Clear? So next we have to see reproductive system. The reproductive system and excretory system both are connected in rabbit. So together it is known as urinogenital system. Let us see now. Next we have to say urinogenital system. Urinogenital system. Both urino excretory organ, genital reproductive organ, both are connected together. So this system is known as urinogenital system. So first we have to go for excretory system. Though it is both are separate joined together, we have to see anything. Which is the excretory organ? Kidney. There are a pair of kidney. Pair means what to? It is bean shaped. What is the function of the kidney? Collect the nitrogenous waste material from the body, and kidney starts from ureter. Next to the kidney, what is the ureter? It is the tube-like structure which connect all the nitrogenous waste material. And the kidney, we can see thousands of nephrons. Here we can see nephrons. They are minute tubes which collect the nitrogenous waste material and brings to ureter. From the ureter, it collects to urinary bladder. Then here, urethra. So excretory matter expels through urethra only. So what are the things? It consists of kidney, pair of kidney. Kidney is in the bean shape, light reddish brown color. It is in the abdominal cavity. Kidney can be seen in the abdominal, and it goes to ureter. From the ureter, it develops to urinary bladder and urethra. Here, which is the main important organ to connect all the nitrogenous waste material from the body? That is nephrons. There are thousands of nephrons present in that. They are converted into tubule. That tubule is known as Henle's loop. Then you can see, next you have to say urinogenital system. Male and female both are separated. Rabbits shows sexual dimorphism. Rabbits exhibit sexual dimorphism. What's the meaning of it? That is, we have seen already leech is hermaphrodite, because both male organ and female organ, reproductive organ, are present in the same organism. But rabbit is different. On morphologically, we can differentiate whether it is male or female. Female has 4 teats, I said already, in the abdomen. Here, this is because it exhibits sexual dimorphism. Both the sexes are different. It shows sexual dimorphism. Morphism morphology. Externally, we can, on seeing the rabbit itself, we can find out whether it is male or female. Now we have to say reproductive system, that is male and female. Male reproductive system first. Is it clear? Excretory system, nothing else, a pair of kidney. Here we can see thousands of nephrons. Kidney arises into ureter. From the ureter, it goes to urinary bladder. And urinary bladder, the waste materials are stored in that. When it is filled up, it enters, it comes out through urethra. Male reproductive organ. We have studied already testes, which is the first part of the reproductive organ, testes. The testes are present in scrotal bags. The pair of testes there, both in each side, that is right and left. The scrotal bag, it converts into tube-like structure. They are known as seminiferous tubules. This network together, all these things together, that is testes, they found in the scrotal bags. The scrotal bags, some hair-like structures are found. They are all to join together and become seminiferous tubules. These tubules together known as, they are present in the sperm duct. They are known as vas deferens. So, in between what is this? Sperm duct. That is, sperm is the gamete releases from male. Apart from that, there are 3 accessory glands also. This is the reproductive organ of male. Pair of testes there. They present in the scrotal bags. They converge together and become seminiferous tubules. Here sperms are released. Sperms are stored in the duct. The seminiferous tubules are otherwise known as sperm duct. Sperms are stored. This is the gamete of male and it enters into vas deferens. There are 3 accessory glands. Accessory means what? Extra. So, these accessory glands are, we will see what are the accessory glands present in the male reproductive organ. That is prostate gland, Cowper's gland, and perineal gland. So, which is the gamete of male reproductive organ? Sperms. The sperms are collected in the sperm duct, vas deferens. Through the vas deferens, it releases out. So, 3 extra glands I said, that is accessory glands, prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland. This is excretory system and urinogenital system together, that is excretion and reproduction both are combined together, both are mixed together, fused together. This is urinogenital. We have seen already what is excretory, what are the parts present in the male reproductive. Let us go for female reproductive organ. Female reproductive. Female reproductive system. Here, there we have seen a pair of testes, here we have to see pair of ovaries. It is the bag-like structure. The ovaries raises into oviduct. Oviduct opens into funnel-shaped body. The funnel-shaped body is known as fallopian tube. The fallopian tube enters into uterus. These are the parts present in the female reproductive. Then it enters to vagina. So, what are the parts I said female reproductive system? Pair of ovaries, that is a small ovoid structure, oval structure it is. Ovaries extends to oviduct, it is a tube-like structure. Oviduct enters into fallopian tube, that is tube-like structures, here the eggs are formed. There it comes to uterus. The uterus, there is the softest place is there, that is vagina. So, the eggs are stored next to the uterus, you can see urinogenital canal. And there is a small, we have seen ureter, they the same like here, small apparatus, that is vulva. So, what are the female reproductive part? Pair of ovaries, it enlarges to oviduct, fallopian tube. Then from there it enters into the uterus, vagina, urinogenital canal and vulva. The same like as male reproductive parts, accessory glands are there. The same like we can see in the female also. What are the accessory glands? Let us see now. There we have seen three, that is three glands are the, that is in the male we have seen prostate gland, Cowper's gland and perineal gland. In the female only two is there, one is Cowper's, other one is perineal. So what is absent here? That is prostate gland. Prostate gland is special for only male, not for the female. So we have seen all the systems present in the rabbit: digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, circulatory system, excretory, that is urinogenital system, excretion, male reproductive and female reproductive. So we have completed this lesson. We have to go for the other lesson afterwards. Let me recall what are the important points you have seen. Leech. So leech, important thing is, we'll recall, that is the points to remember. First we have to see leech. It has 33 segments. It is hermaphrodite. Male and female can be seen in same. It has two suckers. The food of the leech is blood. There are a pair of salivary glands. The salivary glands, they secreted a special protein. That protein is known as that protein only helps the leech from the victim. The blood should not be coagulated. Coagulated means what? Clotted. Clot ஆகாம அப்படியே ஈஸியாக அது சக் பண்ணுற அளவுக்கு ஃப்ளோ ஆகுதுன்னு சொன்னால் because of that protein only. This is leech, the special adaptations of leech. This is cold-blooded animal. That is temperature not remain constant. Whereas rabbit, the body can be divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. It shows sexual dimorphism, that is both female can be differentiated, male and female. Female, they have 4 teeth in abdomen. We have seen all the systems of the thing. Rabbit we have seen. The heart is 4-chambered. That is lungs, heart, then brain, all are covered by the membrane. Lung is covered by pleura, brain is covered, heart is covered by pericardium, and brain is covered by 3 meninges, that is pia mater, dura mater and arachnoid membrane. See that these are the point. Mammary glands, what are the special characteristics of mammal? They have the epidermal hair, mammary glands and diaphragm, that is the organ, that is the part which separate reproductive system as well as digestive system. So these are the points you should remember. As soon as the lessons over, whatever the subjects maybe the lessons are taken, you have to go through the book. No use of listening the class alone, you have to take, no need to take the notes also. Take the books, keep the books open, go through all the points, important things and all underline. As usual, what you did in 9th standard, the same thing you have to follow in 10th standard also. Learn and keep the lessons in tight. Always be prompt in studies. Thank you.